Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning or good afternoon. Hello everyone. Let me introduce ourselves. We are Group 2 from the Data Mining course. On this session, we will present the 75% of our project data application of the IP growth algorithm to identify association patterns among the array platform and publisher in video game data. This project was prepared by Muhammad Arif Putra, M. Reza Priti, Abhinur Pratama, Fauzi Rustu Saputra, and Ahmad Fahmi Faizi. We are pleased to report that this project is nearly 100% complete with a case study on 32,895 video game sales record from 1975 to 2024. Background: the video game industry currently produces thousands of game titles across various genres, platforms, and publishers every year, causing the volume of sales data to keep growing over time. The hidden relationship among attributes such as genre, platform, and publisher are difficult to identify through observation or manual calculation alone. This is where data mining plays an important role. Using association rule meaning technique, we can uncover hidden association patterns that are useful as a basis for business decision making. Dataset. The dataset we use contains video game sales data with a total of 32,895 records covering the years 1975 to 2024 with no missing value at all. The three main attribute boost relationship we analyze are genre consisting of 12 categories, platform with 32 platform, and publisher with 100 publishers. This slide also shows as a sample of the data from the dataset for illustration. Methodology CRISP-DM. The methodology we use in this research is CRISP-DM, which consists of 5 stages: business understanding, data preparation, modeling, and evaluation. We are pleased to report that we have completed all of these CRISP-DM stage sequentially, and this project is now fully finished.
The next slide is data pre-processing. In the data pre-processing stage, we carried out three main steps. First, cleaning, removing missing values and duplicate data. Our inspection shows that the dataset is 100% clean with no missing values or duplicates. Second, transformation, combining the genre, platform, and publisher attributes into a single transaction column in the form of an item list for each row of data. And third is encoding, converting the transaction data into binary one-hot format using the transaction encoder from the MLXten library. Next, FPGrowth implementation. In the implementation, we use 5 main libraries. Pandas for manipulating and reading tabular data. MLXten, the library that provides the FPGrowth algorithm. Transaction encoder for converting transaction data into binary format. FPGrowth as the main function for mining frequent item sets. And association rules for forming association rules from the item set found. Next, frequent item sets. Using a minimum support of 0.002 FPGrowth algorithm we ran successfully found 566 frequent item sets in total. The slide shows the 10 combination item sets with the highest support values. The most frequent combination is Microsoft Studios, together with Xbox 360 with a support of 4.03%. 1,327 transactions, followed by PC Together with strategy at 2.28% and EA Sports Together with Sports at 2.15%. Next slide, rating by Abid.
And next, slide 8, association rules. From the frequent item set found, we format association rules, which are filter of confidence, greater 10 or equal to 0.6 and live greater than 1, resulting in a total of 27 association rules. Some of the strongest association rules found include: if the publisher is Microsoft Studio, the platform tends to be Xbox 360, with 82 perfect confidence and a life of 8.52. If the publisher is EA Sport, the genre tends to be sport, with 6.7% confidence and a life of 7.32. In addition, in the publisher is Telltale Games. The genre tends to be adventure, with 80.7% confidence and a life of X.45. And if the publisher is Sierra Entertainment, the platform tends to be PC, with 69.1% confident and a life of your 0.85. From test rules, we can conclude that buyers of Microsoft Studio games strongly tends to be on the Xbox 360 platform, while publisher EA Sport almost always release games in the sports genre. Next, bar chart frequency item set. To make present user, we present the frequent item set results as a bar chart. It is clearly visible that the combination of Microsoft Studio and Xbox 360 has the highest support, for above the other combination at 4.03%. The following combination suits SPC with strategy, EA Sport with sport, and Miss with Nintendo DS have relatively close support values in the rank of 1.7 to 2.3%. And next, network graph association rules. In addition to tables and bar chart, we also visualized the association rules as a network graph connection tree attribute group, genre, publisher, and platform. This diagram shows how EA Sport is connected to the sport genre, Telltale Games to adventure, and Paradox Interactive to strategy. Meanwhile, Microsoft Studio is strongly connected to the Xbox 360 platform, while Sierra Entertainment and Paradox Interactive are both connected to the PC platform. The thickness of the lines in this diagram represent the strength of the leaf between items. The thicker the line, the strongest the association between the attributes.
And next, result analysis. From the analysis results, we found several important insights. First, the most frequent genre is myth, at 14% of all data, followed by action at 13.9% and sport at 11.8%, showing that the market is dominated by casual and action games. Second, the dominant platform is PC at 14.2%, followed by Xbox 360 at 9.6%, indicating a large and genre-diverse PC player base. Third, the most strongly associated publisher is Microsoft Studios, closely associated with Xbox 360 with a lift of 8.52, and EA Sports with the sports genre with a lift of 7.32, reflecting a consistent publisher strategy within specific niches. And fourth, in terms of business relevance, the pattern can be used for bundling strategies, product recommendation, and targeting new release platform based on the association history of publishers, genre, and platforms. And next, interpretation of results. This research provides practical benefits for reviewers purchased in the video game industry. For game developers, these results help determine the right genre and platform before starting development of a new game based on proven market patterns. For publisher, these results serve as a reference for choosing the release platform that best fits their genre portfolio. For distributors, these results help with stock planning and product distribution based on the genre platform combination most in demand by the market. And for marketing teams, these results support more targets, promotion, and product bundling strategies based on the association pattern found. Next, advantage of FVGrowth. Based on experience implementing this algorithm, FVGrowth has several advantages. First, it is fast, requiring only to scan of the data to build the FV3. Furthermore, efficient than candidate-based approach. As second, it does explicitly generate candidate item sets as the a priori. Algorithm does significantly reducing computational load, and third, it is efficient on large datasets. The compressed V3 structure keeps the algorithm efficient even when applied to or 32,895 transaction record.
Next, the standard facts of FVGrowth. Besides its advantage, we also identified some standard facts of algorithm during the project. First, it is default to visualize the complex tree structure. With many branches, it's hard to depict full and end-to-end value, especially given our dataset large item variety. Telus genres, 32 platform, and 100 publisher. Second, it is sensitive to support parameter. The result depend heavily and the constant minimum support value in this project, value of 0.0 and 1, product only for association rules, while 0.002 products 27. So selecting the parameter record gradual expression. Next slide for 15. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are three main points from this project. First, the FVGrowth algorithm successful fund frequent item set 566 in total from 32,895 transaction records with a minimum support of 0.002. Second, accession rules were successfully obtained 27 in total with a filter of confidence greater than or equal to 0.6 and leaf greater than 1. Induction statistically valid and meaningful rules. And third, the accession of genre platform and publisher we found can serve a basis of business decision making for developer, publisher, distributor, and marketing teams. Next, closing. That consolidates our final presentation on application of the FVGrowth algorithm in data accession pattern among genres, platform, and publisher in video game data. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.